Hi guys, today I have come up with a new interesting topic, and let us discuss about the resources and resource assignment window. Specifically, I will talk about resources and resource assignments. So here it is a schedule of residential building schedule. See, I have added the columns budgeted cost of 43 million and budgeted labors of uh, 16. It is like one 1 point, yeah, 1.16, you can say. Yeah, it is 163,096 labor units has been loaded. Now let us go to the resource window. Here in the resources tab, you can add resources. Okay, like you can see here, electrician as a labor, document as a labor, and then there is cost is also loaded as a non-labor. Okay, and rest of you can see labor 8 hours per day. Okay, and then we have material as well, where there is unit of measurement is there, square meter or number subframes, square meter. Okay, cost will be 1 per day, and labor will be 8 hours per day, and material is also 8 hours per day, but there is the resource type is material. Okay, like here, if you want to add resource, let's say for example we want to add flagman resource ID F, I can say 85 F, flagman F, flag resource name. So this will be labor. Okay, I can also select, if I added material, it will be material. So this is a labor. Price per unit, I will not say, but it will be 8 hours per day. I will put price per unit 1 there. Next, 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 and finish. So you see this flagman is added here. Yeah. Let me set thing, customize. Current project resources. Uh, Here I will click on track this there. Okay. Now customize. This. Yeah. For cost, you can add one per hour, but for the remaining, you can put 0 per hours. No worries. Okay. Then you need to add these resources to each and every activity. Let's say, for example, they have added helper for this activity, ACP installation and aluminum labor. So they are working for 128 hours, okay, 8 hours per day, and helper is working for 256 hours, 16 hours per day. Now, where we can find out the resource assignments, we need to add the settings here. Now, first I will say where resource type is where resource type equals. First, I will talk about labor. Apply and OK. And group and sort by customize resource ID name. OK. So let me collapse this one. So you can see here, it starts from 5 March 16, but let me fix the timeline here. So time scale is year per month. Okay. Now in the assignments, you can see, let's say for example, we have Mason. Okay, and the activities are added. For Masons, we have different activities here. But Mason, you can see here how many hours in February they are working for 1592 hours. In March 2264 hours. And in this way, you can get number of man hours for each resource as a labor. Now we will select another filter where resource type is equal to non-labor. So non-labor is the cost, okay? The cost, so it has shown you the cost as a cash flow. Not remaining units we can put here is budgeted units. Okay. Now next resource is material. Here we have a material. Okay. You can see here block. It's mentioned here as the resource. So these are budgeted units, okay? But if your program is updated, you can select here the remaining units, okay? Also, you can select actual units. This is how you load and view the resources which is loaded in the program, okay? Thank you. And keep supporting this technical trainings channel. Thank you.